Good morning, students. So today we are going to see 4th class term 1 English subject. So we have seen our second lesson, Rita and Zito go in search of water. So today we will see the objective of this lesson. So our first bit is fill in the blanks. So we have already seen the lesson and we have done reading also. Rita was fast asleep and she was dreaming. Here we have seen in the lesson that Rita was fast asleep and dreaming. Rita was not scared or afraid of the strange creature. While she was dreaming, a spaceship landed and a strange creature came out of that spaceship. Here you can see this is a spaceship, and this is a strange creature. By seeing this strange creature, Rita was not scared or afraid. Zito was shocked to see people bathing and washing in the lake. Big machines are used to purify the water from rivers and lakes. Big machines are used to purify the water from the rivers and lakes. Not only machines, we have to do a lot of hard work and time, and machines also needed. The spaceship took off slowly and disappeared into the sky. So our next bit is they have given the words. So to these words we have to make abstract nouns. Before making the abstract nouns, we will see what is abstract noun. Some nouns tells us about the quality of thing or about feelings. Such nouns are called abstract nouns. Abstract noun means they will tell us about the quality of things and about feelings. We cannot see, hear, smell, taste or touch the abstract nouns here, whereas nouns means noun describes the name of the place, name of the animal and name of the things. So whereas abstract nouns, they will describe the quality of things or feelings. But here we will not see, we can't hear or smell, taste or touch the abstract nouns. Example, beauty. Only we can listen the word beauty, but we can imagine, but we can't see the beauty. Youth and joy. So now we will make the abstract nouns. Yes, here they have given the words. We have to make the abstract nouns. Wise means wisdom. Know, knowledge. True, truth. Brave, abstract noun, bravery. Happy, abstract noun, happiness. Free, freedom. So our next bit is match these words with their meanings. Wondered means thought. Purify means to clean or to remove impurities. To clean the things. Polluted means to made something dirty, unclean and unfit for use. So the companies or the factories make the water polluted. Spoil means make something bad. So our next bit is deforestation is the act of cutting down all the trees in a place. Write a paragraph about why deforestation is very harmful and why we should stop deforestation. Here they have given the topic deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the trees, cutting down all the trees in a place. Here you can see this is called deforestation because here they have remove or cutting down all the trees. So first question is, what is deforestation? Deforestation is the cutting down of a large number of trees. Next question, what are the effects of deforestation? By cutting off trees, what are the effects we will see? Leads to soil erosion and reduces the amount of rainfall received in the area. By cutting the trees, we will reduce the amount of rainfall. It means if we cutting down the trees again and again, rainfall will not be occur. What should we do to stop it? We should not cut the trees. Next, why should we plant more trees? The answer is to receive more rainfall, to prevent soil erosion and in order to save the homes of many animals. So today's homework is you have to write what is deforestation and these questions, these answers. And next homework is you have to write only definition of abstract nouns. Only definition you have to write and learn. And another homework is you have to match these words with their meanings. You have to learn this and write in your English book. I hope you have understood these objectives and abstract nouns. Thank you.